let's take a look at how to use the Tic Tac Toe board game in the Florentis Learning lessons. This can be used whenever you need a break, you need something to engage the student, or you need an extension activity. This is a fantastic activity which allows you to review what you need and want to review. So from any lesson screen, you're going to go to the menu and click on Tic Tac Toe. From there, you'll notice that there's no words on the screen. You can use this for vocabulary words. You can use it for, you could use it for phonics words. And once you have added the words to the screen, so you can do this at the beginning of your lesson or during your lesson, as you saw, it only takes a second. This will actually be retained on the screen for the duration of the lesson. So over here on the side underneath the menu items, don't use the menu. Use this back arrow. This back arrow is going to return you back to the last screen you were in the lesson, making it super convenient to actually use at any point during your lesson when you do need that break. And you'll notice if we go back to the tic-tac-toe board, everything is still here. From there, we just take turns playing tic-tac-toe as we normally would. And maybe we only want to play a couple of pieces. This will not save. So the only thing that saves is actually the words that you've typed into the boxes. So you'll notice if I go back and then jump to the tic-tac-toe game again, the markers have all reset themselves. So you do have to play a game through before jumping back to your other screen. And so you can have the students read the words as they place the markers. So truck and money and go shopping. So they just put their words in, and then all of a sudden we have a winner. Hopefully this is helpful and you enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips to help you use the Florentis Learning lessons to engage your students, to help them love learning.